Hey, what's up? Mark here. Let's take a quick look at the wines that are in this latest weekly tasting. So let's start with the Chardonnay. This is the 2016 Los Carneros from Robledo. As always, we're going to give that a nice swirl, unlock all those scents and flavors. This Chardonnay has a very strong dairy aroma to it, almost like buttermilk or sweet cream, and it's bready, like brioche. And both of these characteristics come from barrel aging. This is a big and juicy Chardonnay. At 14.2% alcohol and 10 months in French oak, it's going to have a lot of body, and you can feel that in your mouth. It almost has the weight of like half and half. The barrel aging really imparts some unique characteristics to this wine as well. There's a spiciness, almost like a little bit of a clove flavor in the background, and there's a sweet Meyer lemon roundness to this, and also a tropical fruit juiciness that just gives this wine an undeniable weight in the mouth. And that French oak barrel aging really leaves a nice lingering spiciness on the finish. At 4 years old, this wine is right in the pocket. Now is the time to drink this. It's at its best. And for those of you who love big, complex Chardonnays from California, this one is your Jimmy Jam. Thanks for checking out this wine with me. I'm Mark Supsik. Cheers.